Okay, this is the continuation of the previous topic, which is graph of quadratic functions. We've learned before how to solve a quadratic function, yeah, finding coordinates using the factorization method here, yeah, just replacing y with 0 and x with 0, and then the next one we'll use actual graph here. So let's take a look at the problem. So the variable x and y are connected by equation this, yeah. Some values of x and the corresponding values of y are given in the table. Okay, this is basically just when you substitute x with this value, substitute, and then you solve it, find the y. These are the answer that you will find. Now calculate the value of p. So all are given except this one. They want you to try to find yourself. So yeah, it doesn't matter. Very easy. So just replace the x here with -3. So yeah, here we got, right. So it's -3 squared plus 2 times -3 plus 2, which is 5. So p is 5. Now, after the table is complete, on a sheet of graph paper, using a scale of 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit of the x-axis and 1 centimeter to represent 2 units of y-axis. Yeah, you can. Yeah, if you're drawing this on actual graph paper, these are the rules that you have to obey. So each unit you go up in the y-axis. Sorry, it's 2 units. So draw it in length of 1 centimeter. So each unit is 0.5 centimeter. Yeah, so this is 0.5, 0. Oh, sorry, 2 units. Okay, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. It represent 2 units. Yeah, in a graph paper, yeah, each of the box will have a dimension of 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter. Now, as for the x-axis, the scale of 2 centimeter represent 1 unit. Okay, so for x-axis, they are not very generous here. Well, actually, they are more generous here. They allow 2 centimeter here, 2 boxes for 1 unit. Okay, now draw the graph. So what you do is you plot all the coordinates first. So -3 and p is what again? 5, right? So yeah, -3.5, -2.2, plot it. -3 and 5, right? Plot -2 and 2, plot. What else? -1.1, 0.2. -1.1, this is 1, right? Plot 0.2 here. Plot until all the coordinates are done. Plot, 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 and then you just draw a line, a curving line. Not those, polygon lines, but a curving line. Okay, and then done. Yeah, just plot all the coordinates and connect them all using a curve, forming a curve. Yeah, and then number C, use your graph in B to find the value of x value of y when x equals 2.3. Okay, now actually without graph, the way you can find the value of y when x equals 2.3 is just put it into the equation. So it'll become 2.3 square plus 2 times 2.3 plus 2, and then we'll get the x, right? But now given that you have the graph, you can just look at the graph. So 2.3, right, is here. So just pull up, and then when you meet the graph, you project it to the left side. So you will see that you will meet 12 at the y-axis. So that means the y is 12. Yeah, okay, y is 12. Maybe you can try an equation also just now when I told you to do y equals 2.3 squared plus 2 times 2.3 plus 2. Okay, it should be 12 also, or at least, you know, maybe decimals, but very close to 12, and you round it. Yeah, they could not be like 100% accurate, but very close, because you know this is just a graph, right? Yeah, there can be human error when you or something else, so it could be off a bit, but if you draw it correctly, it'll be very close, or even exactly the same, the answer, doing the comparing, doing the substitution method and the graph method. Values of x when y equals 3. Now same thing here, so you replace y with 3, and then you move to the left side in order to let the left side become 0, and then do factorization method, right? You will get the x. That's how you find the x using calculation, factorization method, just like this, right? When y equals 0. Now using the graph, you just look at the graph again. Y is 3, what is the x? So y 3. Yeah, you can either put the left side or the right side. You will get 2 x's, which is, when you go down here, it will be negative 2.4. This one will be 0.4. Yeah. Okay. And then lastly, minimum value of y. Okay, the minimum value of y and the value of x at which this occurs. Minimum value of y is 1, which is this one, right? This line, if I pull the line, this will meet the minimum point, which is 1, so y equals 1. And for x, negative 1. Yeah, minimum value when y occurs negative 1, so just from the minimum point, just pull down. Okay, the same thing for this one, which we'll cover in the next video. So okay, that's all for now. Bye bye.